Welcome back to the most hilarious channel on YouTube. Today we'll be looking at animals who seem harmless, cute. Harmless. Friendly. That's what we think about so many animals. But the truth? Some of the world's most dangerous creatures are hiding behind innocent faces. Today, we're counting down 10 shocking truths about animals you thought were safe. From swans that can break your bones, to hippos that kill more people than lions and sharks combined. This list will change the way you see the animal kingdom forever. And trust me, you'll want to stay until the very end. Because the number one animal on this list, you'll never believe how deadly it really is. On number 10, we have swans. When you think of swans, you probably imagine beauty, aggressive dolphins. And it's not just humans. Dolphins have been observed bullying and even killing smaller sea creatures, just for fun. So are they smart? Absolutely. Harmless? Not always. On number 7, we have squirrels. Slow lorises are often sold illegally in the exotic pet trade. But make no mistake, this adorable animal is armed with poison. And hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the wild, never judge a book by its cover. Welcome back to the most hilarious channel on YouTube. Today we'll be looking at the most awkward moments caught on cam. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.
All right, quick local story. Someone's reported a missing dog, and instead of a dog photo, the owner sent in a photo of himself.
His own photo?
He says the dog looks like him, facially.
Okay.
All right, quick update. The dog has been found. Let's take a look. No! No! That's him!
And the heels are...
Oh my God! Wow!
Well, that was
Please
tasty.
like, comment, subscribe, and
It's
share.
40 years since the launch of Apollo 17, the last mission that took man to the moon. Among those remembering the flight, its commander, Enterprise. Its commander who said he thought I'll try that again. A man was considered. Let me just go back to the very start of that. It's 40 years since the launch of Apollo 17, the last mission that took man to the moon. Among those remembering the flight,
Please like, comment, subscribe, and share.
You give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish. You give him
I was choking on a banana a couple years ago. Remember I told you? I kid you not. Captain Awesome saved my life. Seriously. All right.
Can I ask you, if you won all the money, what would you do with it?
Bunch of hookers and cocaine.
Okay, that's not good. That one, we were hoping for a different answer. That's
Please
probably
like,
not the
comment,
answer that we're looking
subscribe, and
for.
share.
Development Bob. This is just a sketch of the
like, you look like the killer if they'd found him. And we had a fun night of role playing. So. What are you doing? Dad? I think I'll see him again. What? Hey, you have something to talk about,
Please
right?
like, comment, subscribe, and share.
I think he nailed it. Out there.
I don't think the senior's very welcome at this time of the year. No, but it's been nice not to have those thunder showers in the afternoon. That's for a change. But they're coming back, you say? Yeah, they'll be back by Friday.
The heat is making me as wet as the thunder showers. I think that applies to all of us.
Let's turn over to the Weather Center here, because Trisha was saying she sounds like a broken record this morning, but honestly, I feel like it was a broken record just like the best song ever.
Play that song. You got it, Daddy. I like calling you Daddy.
It's time now for a full look at your forecast with Astrid. Maybe we can canoodle before you get into it about,
We're not going to be canoodling. What?
oh, I thought canoodle meant chat. Astrid, you're lucky there's a producer in here. I would have carried that on and on.
You know what? You just made the blooper reel. Good job, man.
Tonight, police in Washington say they are intensifying their hunt for a suspected serial killer responsible for at least 4 murders since October. Detectives released this composite sketch earlier today, hoping someone will recognize the man and call it a tip.
Just received an urgent message from police. They're looking for a missing dad.
The girl only had a drawing of her father. She didn't have a photo, just this drawing of her father.
Have an update from police.
Officers have now located the father just moments ago.
If you watch till the end, please like, share, comment, and hit that sub button. See you next time. Stay hilarious. Imagine a shark with a mouth big enough to swallow a refrigerator whole, swimming right at you. Terrifying, right? Well, what if I told you it doesn't even want to bite you? Welcome back to Top 10 Hilarious. Today, we are looking at nature's biggest liars. These are 10 animals that look like nightmares, but are actually totally harmless. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, let's get into it. Kicking off at number 10, meet the basking shark. It looks like a megalodon that forgot to close its mouth. It can grow up to 26 feet long. But relax, that massive mouth is just a giant strainer. They only eat plankton and tiny shrimp. They move slow, they have tiny teeth, and they couldn't care less about humans. Safe. At number 9, okay, if you hate spiders, look away now. This is the Goliath bird eater. It's the size of a dinner plate. Despite the name, it rarely eats birds, and despite the size, its venom is weaker than a bee sting. A bite might hurt, but it won't kill you. It's mostly just big, hairy, and misunderstood. Despite the name, it rarely eats birds, and despite the size, its venom is weaker than a bee sting. At number 8 is straight out of a horror movie, the Eye. Look at those yellow eyes and that long skeletal finger. In Madagascar, people think they are bad luck demons. The truth? That creepy finger is just a tool to tap on trees and dig out grubs. It's basically a weird-looking woodpecker monkey, totally harmless to people. Please like, share, comment below, and subscribe. At number 7, remember that creepy spider thing from Harry Potter? That's a tailless whip scorpion. It looks terrifying with those long whip legs. But guess what? It has no venom. No sting. Nothing. It's all bark and no bite. It just wants to hug your face. Kidding. It just wants to eat bugs. And number 6 is the giant of the ocean, the manta ray. They can have a wingspan of 23 feet. That is huge. Unlike their cousins, the stingrays, mantas don't even have a stinger. They are gentle giants that love to glide around divers. That is huge. We are halfway through our list of fake monsters. Question for you. Which of these animals would you be brave enough to hold? The giant spider or the whip scorpion? Let me know in the comments below. At number 5, looks like a crocodile that got stretched out. The gharial. It has razor-sharp teeth, but look at that snout. It's super thin. It's designed for catching slippery fish. Not for taking down humans or buffalo. They are actually very shy and avoid people at all costs. It's designed for catching slippery fish, not for taking down humans or buffalo. At number 4 is a master of disguise, the milk snake. It copies the colors of the deadly coral snake to scare away predators. But the milk snake? Non-venomous and completely safe. Remember the rhyme. Red touches black, safe for Jack. Red touches yellow, kills a fellow. Is a master of disguise. But the milk snake? Non-venomous and completely safe. At number 3, Dracula himself, the vampire bat. Yes, they drink blood, but they mostly drink from sleeping cows or birds. They almost never go after humans, and even if they did, they are tiny. They don't suck you dry, they just take a tiny sip. The biggest risk is disease, not the bite itself. Yes, they drink blood, but they mostly drink from sleeping cows or birds. And number 2 became an internet legend during the Iraq War, the camel spider. Photos made them look half the size of a human. Face screaming in fear truth check. They only grow to about 6 inches. They aren't spiders, they are solifuges. They have no venom. And they only chase humans because they want to stand in your shadow to cool down. They just want some shade, bro. And finally, at number 1, the biggest fish in the sea, the whale shark. It is gigantic. But just like the basking shark, it's a filter feeder. You can literally swim right next to them. They're the definition of a gentle giant. Scary size, but a puppy-dog personality. You can literally swim right next to them. The whale shark. It is gigantic. So there you have it. 10 animals that look scary, but are actually total sweethearts. Did we miss any? Let us know. If you want to see animals that actually will hurt you, you have to watch our deadliest animal encounters video right here on the screen. Click it now, and I'll see you there. Bye.